Welcome to the IT Academy. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. When you subscribe, you get IT training tutorials. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can insert charts in our Microsoft Word documents. Normally, Excel is the place where we create charts. Excel has got more tools that we use to work with charts. But there might be situations where you might have to install or insert a chart in a Microsoft Word document. So let's get started. To insert a chart in a Microsoft Word document, you simply go to the Insert tab. You click on Insert and then you go to Chart. You click on Chart. Here there are so many types of charts, so you select the option that best suits what you need. So we're going to select the basic column chart. And then when you select the basic column charts, there are subtypes here. So let's select the first one. And then we click OK. So it brings the charts right here in your Word document. Like I said before, Excel is the place where we create charts. So what Word does is that it opens a small Excel worksheet here. And then you have a ready-made chart. All you have to do is modify the chart to suit your own needs. Okay, so we are going to modify this chart to our own needs. Let's say we are an IT company and we have sales reports to make. So this chart is going to be about our sales. So the chart's title, I click here, type the title of the chart, Sales Report. Okay. So that is that. We have added the chart's heading. Now let's go to the details of the chart. It has already created the data series and the values. So we're going to modify. Now we sell certain products in our company. We sell printers, scanners, laptops, plotters. So you see that as you are updating it, it is being updated right here, straight ahead. Okay. So supposing what we are doing is our sales for 3 months, the first quarter of the year, January, February, and March. Okay. So you can see that it has added January, February, March. And these values aren't our values. So we're going to add in our actual values. So these are the things that we have sold. 56. Okay. Yes, you can see that the values are updated immediately. In February, these are our sales. Okay. Then in March, this will reflect our sales too. Okay. So you can see that this reflects our actual figures. We have inserted a a chart in our Microsoft Word document. When you have finished, all you have to do is simply close the Excel sheet by clicking here. And it's gone, but the chart remains. So you have your chart created. So if you want to modify this chart, all you have to do is right-click on the chart. You right-click on the chart, and then you can go to Change Chart Type or Edit Data. Let's edit the data of the chart. I right-click, Edit Data, Edit Data. So it brings the Excel sheet one more time, and I can make changes to these numbers. Okay, let's say the plotters, I can add, you see, I made a lot of changes and it's being updated right away. And then also, supposing I want to add the month of April, all I have to do is simply add April in the next column. And then it creates April, but there are no figures for April. So I have to add the values for April. Okay. enter. So you can see that I now have 4 months. There are 4 bars here for each product. So that is it there. And when I finish, I simply close the Excel sheet and it's gone. So whenever I want to make any changes to my chart, like I said, we right click and then you can change the chart type also. We can make it a line chart and click OK. You can see that it's now a line chart. So that is how we add a chart into our Microsoft Word document. I hope you like this video about charts in Microsoft Word. If you did, then like it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more ID training tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.